Hey there, welcome to the course and let's learn how to generate vector in MATLAB. We all know that vector is a list of numbers and matrix is an array of numbers. This is a row vector with one row and three columns. This is a column vector with one column and three rows. This is a matrix with three rows and three columns. And we all know that scalar is single valued variable. Now let us try to generate these vectors in MATLAB. To generate a row vector, type r is equal to in square bracket 1, 5, 10 square bracket complete. It will generate a row vector with value 1, 5 and 10. To generate a column vector, type c equal to in square bracket 1 semicolon 8 semicolon 6 square bracket complete. It will generate a column vector. So to generate a row vector, use comma. To generate column vector, use a semicolon. To generate matrix, M is equal to in square bracket type 5, 6, 7 semicolon 7, 9, 5 semicolon 2, 1, 8 square bracket complete. It will generate a matrix with 3 by 3 size. We can transpose row vector by typing r apostrophe to column, or column vector to row vector by typing c apostrophe. We can also generate a row vector using this command. Here this command will generate a row vector which runs from A to B in a step of 1. But if we want to run a row vector from A to B with a step of h, we just need to add h in between these two A and B. So let's try this. Let's type r is equal to 1:5. It will generate a row vector with step of 1. If we type rt is equal to 1:2:5, it will generate a row vector with step 2. If we type s is equal to 1:2:6, this will also generate a row vector with value 135 similar to previous one. This is because here if b minus a is not divisible by h, the loop in MATLAB will run until it exceeds b. And that's why we need to be very careful while using this command for generating a row vector. We can generate a row vector using this command also. This is Linspace a, b. Here it will generate a row vector which runs from A to B and will have 100 elements in it. Whereas if we want to give a number of elements, we can add n, which will generate a row vector from A to B and it will have n number of elements. Remember that here it is LIN space, so it is not line space, it is Linspace. So a lot of time we make a mistake. So for example, S is equal to LINSPACE space 0 to 1 will generate a row vector from 0 to 1 with 100 elements, whereas T is equal to linear space 0 to 1 and number of elements are 10. It will generate a vector from 0 to 1 with 10 elements. As you can see, it has 10 elements. Command Linspace is very useful for numerical simulation. In next video, we will learn about vector manipulation.